Welcome to another DocsBot tutorial. I'm Keisha, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can train your bot using multiple URLs. So as you can see, I'm already on our DocsBot dashboard. I'm going to navigate right here to bots. This is where all my bots live. You can see all the ones I have available. I've made a special one just for the purposes of this tutorial called Shoe Shop. So we'll open that up. And as you can see, I don't have any training sources yet. But what we're going to do is scroll down through all of our source types here down to where you will see URL list. We're going to click on that. And now you have two options for how you can add those multiple URLs. The first way is that you can either paste or type URLs. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I have a couple of URLs that I've already selected ahead of time. Alternatively, you can upload a text or a CSV file. And we have an example right here of how you can connect the source that way as a CSV or a text file. So you have options. We like options. So now that I have pasted those in, I'm going to click on our scheduled refresh. You also have options here. How often do you want your bot to revisit this source type to update the information that's there? So for this one, I'm going to select weekly. And then I'm going to click on add source now that we've done that. And so now as it is working on that, you might be asking yourself, why do I need to have multiple URLs? Well, there's a number of reasons. Maybe you don't want your bot to train from the entirety of your sitemap, or maybe you want to be able to source multiple different websites. Maybe in the case of if you're using it for an internal chatbot for your business or something like that, maybe you have some URLs on your entire website that are not updated, or maybe some of them are not working right now. So those would be some reasons why you'd want to have some targeted things. The ones that I chose, the URLs that I chose, are from the Nike website today, and I only have women's shoes, and I only have hoodies and t-shirts, I think. So just an example of pinpointing specific information that you want. So we have our bot, now it's trained, and from there you can continue on just by starting a chat. It's ready to go. It's happy to answer questions, and I'm going to ask what sizes are available in women's shoes. Answer me, my new bot. It's thinking, and it tells me they're available in sizes 2.5 up to 17. Who wears a 2.5? Not me. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you today. As always, if you have more questions, feel free to reach out to us. And that's human@docsbot.ai. That's the email address where you can, in fact, reach a human. So have a great day, and we look forward to hearing from you.